Hey, what's up, everybody? Now, hopefully, everybody's having a great time. It's your boy Yashvia Gaming, and welcome back, guys. So, today, as you can see, I have just received a mobile phone, a parcel from Singapore Post. Okay, I ordered, I ordered this phone on ALIEXPRESS.com. Okay, this is a phone, so let's do a review and unboxing and a full review about this phone. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm gonna tear this, and as you can see, this phone was sent as gift. Okay, so at the custom office I didn't pay any money. Okay, they just asked me to sign and take this parcel. Okay, so let's begin to unbox this. So as you can see, guys, the phone is well sealed in this big cartoon. Okay, in this big box. So let's remove that, and here we go, guys. This is the Lenovo Z5S. Okay, Lenovo Z5S. Okay, full HD, 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory. Okay, you can insert an external memory also. As you can see, Lenovo Z5S. Alright, successfully carded from ALIEXPRESS.com. Okay, using live CC, live spam CC. Okay, as you can see here, I'm gonna try to zoom this. Okay, as you can see, 6 plus 128 GB. Right, so let's tear this apart. Oops, this is too. Oh shit. Damn, it's stuck. Oh fuck. Oh, so this is how I've been struggle to open this. You just place your hand and on top of it just squash it, and boom, you will see your brand new phone. Okay, so this one is I believe it's a blue version. So phone is a blue. So here's our new phone. Okay, it's well sealed. So let's remove our phone, remove this plastic, and as you can see here, guys, this is our phone, brand new phone from Lenovo. Okay, triple camera, Lenovo Z5S. Beautiful, isn't it, guys? Beautiful, the bluish, very good. All right, so I think it's I'm gonna have to recharge the phone. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back. Oops. And let's view what inside the box, guys. So I'm gonna remove this, and as you can see, here's a Lenovo Z5S quick start guide. Okay, we've got a booklet All right. Okay, another booklet. And here are some gifts. Okay, we've got a plastic cover for the phone. It's very good. Okay, it's a cover, it's a back cover. And inside the box, guys, as you can see, a USB charger. And here's the headset. And as you can see, this is a front screen. Okay, this is the plastic that you will use on the front screen. Okay, it's gonna you're gonna apply this on the front of the screen. Okay, it's a case. And now let's see, here's a charger. As you can see, genuine Lenovo charger. Okay, this is a fast charging type C. And here we've got the USB cable type C. Okay, this is a USB cable for Lenovo type C. Alright, and inside this box, as you can see, here's a little metal. Here's this is the pin. This is the SIM card toolkit. Okay, we can use this metal piece to remove the SIM card, insert and remove the SIM card tray. Alright guys, so this is my full review. Okay, this is my full unboxing video on Lenovo Z5S. Okay, and rest assured guys, I'm gonna leave the link to buy this phone on AliExpress. Okay, please use my affiliate links to buy from AliExpress. And I'm gonna do a full review. I'm gonna do a full review on the performance and the gaming performance of this phone. Okay, this one is a blue version. Okay, if you have seen my previous video, you will find an orange version of this phone. Okay, I have coded the orange, and now guys, I've coded the blue version of this phone. Okay, so it's very you can hold it on your hands very easily. Alright, so yeah, this is it guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe and turn on that post notification bell, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. See Yashvia Gaming, and I'm signing out. Peace, ninjas.